guys, welcome to the new episode of The Voice of Innomatics. Today we have our special guest Sameer and Hitesh, who recently got placed in the company called Ascent. So let's see how their journey was with Innomatics Research Labs. So hi Sameer, hi Hitesh. So
Hello.
first we will start knowing about your background, like from where you are and how was your educational journey?
Basically, I'm from Nagpur, Maharashtra, and I did my graduation from Nagpur University, and my specialization was in statistics, maths, and physics.
So basically, I belong to Rajasthan and I have done my BTech in electrical engineering from Rajasthan Technical University.
So I can see both of you are from non-IT background, and how you thought like data science you should opt and you should take your future in this line. So what was your idea or inspiration behind it?
My background was in BSc, and my subject was statistics. So my focus was very clear for data science, to take data science course.
As I'm from engineering background, so I got to know about a data-driven project in my final year. So I decided to go into that field only. Then I started looking for many courses, like many institutes who are providing these courses. Then I got to know about the Innomatics Research Lab, which they are providing at very best prices, and the mentors are there very good and the results are very good. So finally I decided to enroll in this group.
So I'm very curious to know, like, how was your Innomatics journey, like not from Hyderabad? Was there any language barrier? What issues you faced, and how easily you coped up with the, your teammates, your mentors?
Yeah, there was some language barrier when I came here first, but someone was speaking something in Telugu and I don't understand. I thought he was scolding me, but it was not just a friendly way to greet them. So then but the mentors here are so friendly and very helpful. Like when I go to them and I told them, sir, I have a doubt and all. And I even learned Telugu here from the mentors, from my friends and all. They are very cooperative. I really enjoyed my journey here.
Oh, great. So means along with data science, you are learning Telugu also, and it's an add-on achievement to your life. So.
Now I know Kuncham Telugu.
Oh, great. So you people enjoyed the Innomatics journey as well as learned Telugu. So what else? Like when we come to the interview part, in between your course only, you got the opportunity for placement, right? So how was your interview journey? Like whatever you practiced here, you went through, was it helpful? And as in our curriculum and everything, we have mock interviews, we make you prepare. So how was that useful to you?
Yes, ma'am. As we can see in Innomatics, they provide mentor sessions, which is very beneficial for us, because they trained us how you have to perform in interview, and what was your communication skill, and how you have to be groomed in interview. So these things are very beneficial for us in interview.
As you said, ma'am, they are very beneficial to us. So along with that, there are so many interview preparation sessions are going on, so many hackathon competitions are going on. So they are very helpful in our interview. And beside that part, the placement team will take care of all the non-technical parts. So it's a very wonderful experience to give an interview after all these challenges we faced.
So if I come to the last question, are you prepared for your job? Like your course, I think it was about to over. In between, you guys are placed because of your excellence performance. So how you are preparing yourself to perform in the a new organization you will be serving your skills?
Yes, ma'am. As we are already prepared in Innomatics, we don't need to prepare more.
So confidence. I like this confidence. Okay.
Yeah, and when we go to our company, then they will teach us more about their company. So
yeah, they will give the orientations.
Yeah, they will give orientation.
But the basics you are very much confident about.
Yeah, on basis we are confident on our basic.
Your successful journey can inspire our students who are looking to take up this career. So what advice you will be giving them, and what exactly tips and tricks you will tell them as your younger brothers or your colleagues, everyone, to start in a very proper way and ace your kind of interviews and reach out your level?
So I want to say all the students and the upcoming students that if you are coming to data science course, you have to be very consistent, and you have to be very regular in class, and just be focused on your skills like Python, SQL, and the other all skills which are required in data science.
As my friend said, consistency is the key. But when you want to join a data-driven course, first you have to focus like from where to learn, from where I get the best knowledge. So first choose wisely which course, which course and from which institution you want to learn. So spend some time on the research and like be focused on the basics of everything. So like it's about my experience. I feel free to like ask any mentor my doubts and everything, and because they all are so friendly, so I really enjoyed my course.
Amazing to know your success journey, guys. So Innomatics is always proud of you because of your hard work and consistency. Today you are here. So I hope the people who are watching the video got some interesting tips, and they will prepare themselves in future to crack such interviews in big companies. So thank you so much, guys, for coming here today and sharing your entire precious time and journey with us.
Thank you, ma'am.
So that's it for today's episode of Voice of Innominian with the successful journey of Sameer and Hitesh. So we'll meet each other again in the next episode, and till then don't forget to subscribe our channel Innomatics Research Labs. After all, we just don't train, we transform careers.